Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a site in Teams. I'll be demonstrating this on the web in a desktop browser. First, navigate to Microsoft365.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Microsoft 365 homepage with the App Launcher icon in the upper left corner. Click on that App Launcher icon, it's the grid icon, and then select the SharePoint tile. If you don't see SharePoint right away, click More Apps or use the search field at the top to find it. Once you click it, the SharePoint homepage loads showing your frequent and recent sites. Now, look for the plus Create Site button in the upper left area. Click it and a pop-up window appears with site type options. Select Team Site as the type. You'll see available templates appear. Each template shows a preview and lists what capabilities are included. If you want a general team site, select the standard team template. Click on your chosen template to see its details, then click Use Template. Now you're on the site configuration form. Type in a site name as you type, you'll see whether the name is available. Below that, add a site description that explains the purpose of your site. Next, if your organization has sensitivity labels set up, you'll see a sensitivity label drop-down. Select the appropriate label if it appears. Then, select a privacy level. You can choose Public, which means anyone in your organization can access the site, or Private, which limits access to members only. Below that, select a default language for your site from the dropdown. Note that the privacy and language settings might not appear if your admin hasn't enabled them. Once you've filled everything in, click the Create Site button. The site creation process begins. You'll see a loading indicator while the system sets everything up. When it's done, you'll either be redirected to your new site automatically or see a Go To Site button to click. If you see a member management screen, you can add additional site owners and group members now, or do it later from the gear icon. The member count shows in the top right corner of your site once it loads. When you create a team site, a Microsoft 365 group is automatically created with the same name, and you'll get a group email address. Your new site won't inherit permissions or navigation from other sites. If you want to connect this site to Microsoft Teams for chat and meeting capabilities, look for the Add Real-Time Chat button in the lower left corner of your site's homepage. Thanks for watching.